Hi friends, I am Darshit Patel and I am currently studying in Computer Engineering SVNIT Surat and I recently got placed in Carwale.com. Interview process consists 3 rounds. First was coding test and the second and third was technical interview and then I got selected. First round was of coding test and it is of 2 hours and there are 4 questions. Questions are basically on DP or simple recursion. One question of counting how can we get an exact amount of sum out of given amount of money or coins and like that. Who done correctly 1 or 2 questions are selected for next round. There are 13 people shortlisted for next round. In first technical round, first he asked me to give my introduction and tell general question to ask about yourself, and then he asked me some data structure question based on tree. First he asked me to find the length of diameter of a tree. I solved that question and give my solution. He checked it and told me to better it. After that, he gave me another question in which he told me that there is a stream of number coming continuously and I need to design a data structure in which I need to maintain last 50 numbers and at any time I need to give minimum out of that 50 numbers and I have to find data structure. I have to design data structure for that. So I start from brute force and give basic solution and then he told me to improve it. I suggest him to use heap data structure, mean heap, to find minimum out of that last 50 number. And after that he asked me questions on heap. They're like how to insert number in heap, what is heapify and how we can perform heapify, mean heap, and a general question on mean heap and max heap. Coming to third question, he asked me some basics question on OS and asked me what is my favorite topic in OS. I told him I like page scheduling and process scheduling and that topics, process management. But he asked me to give some page scheduling algorithm and I told him some basics and page scheduling algorithm. He asked me to implement LRU, how I can implement LRU, what is LRU, least recently used strategy. I try to implement it using array and other kind. He give me when I stuck, he give me some hint also, and I implemented it using hash and queue. And he is satisfied with my answer, and that is all about second round. After second round, they shortlist 8 people for third technical round, and in third technical round, he interviewer check my CV and look at my internship and asked me to explain what I did in my internship. I have did my internship from MAQ Software Hyderabad. He asked me what I did and what is my project to explain him. And I explained my project, what I did in it, what is my contribution in my project, and he asked me what I faced difficulty in that project and what is major challenge in it. I explained all things and we discussed 20 to 30 minutes on my project and internship. Then he gave me one question to solve. The question was there is a stack and at each time I need to find minimum in that stack. I give one brute force approach. He told me to improve it and give me some time. I solve it using another stack, taking an auxiliary space and give my solution. Then he check it and tell me to optimize space to reduce space complexity. I did it and he impressed with my solution and then they give result and out of 8 shortlisted students they select 6 for job. for interview you can prepare from gigs for gigs, and it is better for a technical round, and you can practice coding from HackerRank and HackerEarth or CodeChef, which is very helpful for cracking first round. And also he asked me one puzzle in first round, which is about 24 horse puzzle, and they are always asking puzzles in their interview. Puzzle is also a very important part of computer science interview. So you should refer general puzzles from programming interview or other sites, which is also helpful in your interview. And thank you for listening me, and best of luck for you.